This is how you can make a small living room feel open and well-designed, just by setting it up the right way. It all comes down to choosing the right pieces, placing them with intention, and allowing the room to breathe. And in this video, we'll walk you through 6 simple design moves you can apply right away so your living room feels bigger, lighter, and more functional without changing its size. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Design mistake number 1, no focal point. You'll notice that your eyes don't really land anywhere when you look at the space. There's a flat painted wall in a light tone, and decor pieces are either scattered or slightly off-center, and this is where it starts to feel a bit off. Nothing is guiding your attention. Everything looks okay individually, but there's no main feature that stands out. So what's happening here is the space lacks direction. But here's what you can do instead. Create a strong focal point using a textured wall finish in warm beige or taupe, paired with a large centered artwork in neutral tones and a vertical 3D wall panel feature to introduce depth and shadow play without overpowering the space. The texture adds subtle depth so the wall doesn't feel flat, while the centered artwork creates a clear visual anchor that organizes everything around it. And once you adjust this, your eyes immediately know where to look. This small change already makes a big difference because it anchors the entire space. Now everything begins to feel more intentional instead of random, and the room immediately gains a sense of structure. It also makes every other piece, your sofa, table, and decor, feel like they belong to one cohesive composition instead of separate elements. Design mistake number 2, wrong proportions. Something feels slightly off, but it's hard to explain at first. You'll notice the furniture looks undersized for the space. A small 2-seater sofa, a tiny center table, and a rug that doesn't sit under anything. That's where the issue comes in. Everything feels like it's floating, and the space ends up looking incomplete. So a better way to approach this is by scaling your pieces properly. Use a curved sectional sofa in soft white, and beanbag accent chair paired with a large area rug that extends under the seating and a low-profile wood coffee table. The larger rug visually ties all pieces together, while the curved sofa fills the space more efficiently and softens the layout. The low table keeps sightlines open so the room feels wider, and once you adjust this, the furniture starts to feel grounded. Then it starts to feel more balanced, more complete, and visually satisfying. The space no longer feels lacking because every piece now supports each other in scale and proportion. This is what makes the room feel finished instead of in progress. Design mistake number 3, too many small decor pieces. You'll notice there are a lot of small items, frames, vases, and random decor pieces scattered across surfaces. At first, it looks styled, but the more you look at it, the more cluttered it feels. That's where the issue comes in. Nothing stands out because everything is competing for attention. So a better way to approach this is to simplify and choose fewer, stronger pieces. Use one main centerpiece on the coffee table styled as a small group. Instead of placing multiple side tables, keep just one rounded side table with a simple decor piece on top, so the layout feels more open and easier to move around in. This creates hierarchy. Your eyes know what to focus on first, then where to rest. Fewer pieces also allow textures and shapes to stand out instead of getting lost. This small change already makes a difference because each piece now has presence. Now everything begins to feel cleaner, calmer, and more intentional. With fewer distractions, your eyes can actually appreciate the textures and shapes in the space. It creates a more relaxed atmosphere that feels styled without trying too hard. Design mistake number 4, no lighting layers. The space looks bright, but something feels flat, especially at night. You'll notice it relies mostly on a single ceiling light with recessed downlights. And this is where it starts to feel a bit off. There's no depth, no shadows, and no mood. So what's happening here is everything is evenly lit, but not thoughtfully lit. But here's what you can do instead. Layer your lighting with a statement pendant light, a tall floor lamp, and a small table lamp. Each layer serves a purpose. The pendant fills the room, the floor lamp adds side glow, and the table lamp creates cozy highlights, so the space feels balanced at any time of day. And once you adjust this, the textures start to stand out. Then it starts to feel more warm, dimensional, and visually interesting. The layers of light create contrast, which highlights your materials and furniture instead of washing them out. It also makes the space feel more comfortable and inviting, especially in the evening. Design mistake number 5: no color repetition. At first glance, everything looks fine. The pieces are nice, and the colors aren't bad, but you'll notice they don't really connect. A white sofa, mixed color pillows, a light wood table, and neutral finishes all exist together, but they don't talk to each other. That's where the issue comes in. The space feels random instead of cohesive. So a better way to approach this is by repeating a controlled color palette. Use beige, brown, and off-white tones across your sofa, pillows, coffee table, and curtains. Repeating these colors creates visual rhythm, so your eyes move smoothly around the room instead of stopping at mismatched elements. It also makes the space feel calmer and more cohesive. And once you adjust this, everything starts to relate visually. Now everything begins to work together, and the space feels more connected. The repeated tones create a visual flow that ties each area together naturally. This is what gives the room a polished look without needing additional decor. Design mistake number 6: everything pushed against the wall. The layout feels safe, but also very typical. You'll notice the sofa is fully against the wall, the chair is pushed into the corner, and the center space is left empty. And this is where it starts to feel a bit off. There's no depth, and the layout feels flat. So what's happening here is the space isn't being used intentionally. But here's what you can do instead. Pull the coffee table slightly forward, bring the closer accent seating, and angle the curved sectional sofa to define the area. This creates a clear conversation zone, while the space behind the sofa adds depth and circulation. Positioning pieces at an angle also breaks the boxy feel, making the layout more dynamic. And once you adjust this, the layout starts to feel more dynamic. Then it starts to feel more like a designed space, not just furniture placed against walls. The layout gains depth and intention, which makes the room feel more dynamic and lived in. It also improves how you move through the space, making it both functional and visually balanced. Most of the time, it's not about buying new furniture. It's about fixing how everything works together. And once you start making these small changes, your space won't just look better, it will finally feel designed. It starts to feel more intentional, more cohesive, and a lot more elevated without actually spending more. And that's really the difference between a space that looks basic and one that feels professionally put together. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.